Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: an AdMob account, app registered, and an ad unit ID. Next, add the Google Mobile Ads SDK to your project. Use Gradle for Android or CocoaPods for iOS so the runtime classes exist. Once done, initialize the SDK early in app startup with your app ID. This ensures ad requests use correct credentials. Make sure to enable testing mode first so you don't violate policies while developing. Now you'll implement the chosen ad format in code and explain why each placement matters. For banners, attach the ad view to your layout and load ads in on Create or View Did Load. For interstitials, preload then show at natural breaks to avoid crashes. Rewarded ads require a reward callback to grant an app value. Use targeting options sparingly and always add test device ID. Once ads load reliably in development, verify behavior across orientations and network conditions. Finish by thoroughly testing and preparing to publish. Run on real devices, toggle networks, and confirm test ads display. Once satisfied, remove test device flags and submit your app update. After release, monitor impressions and revenue in the AdMob dashboard and log ad callbacks to spot issues. If ads do not appear, recheck app ID and ad unit strings, inspect network error codes, and confirm the SDK was initialized before requests. That single mismatch is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.